Hello children, how are you? I am Vijayash Yadav from Techno India Group Public School Bhopal. Today we will discuss about tense. Tense means time, which indicate us about the time. For example, look here. Tense used to indicate time. The concept of tense concept of tense in English, a method which we are used to refer the time. There are mainly three types of the tenses: past tense, present tense and future tense. In the past tense, past tense show action that already happened. मतलब जो काम हम कर चुके हैं, past tense tell us about the action which we have already done. Suppose I played cricket. मैंने क्रिकेट खेला था. In the present tense shows action that is happening, that is currently happening or that is always ongoing. Suppose I am teaching you English. अभी मैं आपको क्या पढ़ा रही हूँ? इंग्लिश पढ़ा रही हूँ. So this is the present tense. In the morning I taught you Hindi. मॉर्निंग में मैंने आपको हिंदी पढ़ाया. It is a past tense. And in the next period I will teach you math. This will be a future tense. Okay? Whatever I have taught you in the morning, it was a past. What I am teaching you, this is a present, and what I will teach you in the next period, this will be a future tense. So there are three types of the tenses: present tense, past tense, and the future tense. And in these all tenses, we always use three types of the sentences: affirmative sentences, negative sentences, and the interrogative sentences. In every tenses, there are three types of the sentences. Now, what are the affirmative sentences? Affirmative sentences are stating that something true, जो हमें सत्य बताता है, what is true. And we always reply in the positive way. In the negative sentence, we always reply in the negative way. In these sentences, we always use not. हम हमेशा इन सेंटेंसेस में नॉट यूज करते हैं जब भी हम किसी को आंसर देते हैं. Now, an interrogative sentence always used to ask a question. Suppose, what are you doing? What I am teaching? Where are you going? These are called the interrogative sentence. Now look at the example. I will explain you with the example. These are the examples of affirmative, negative, and the interrogative sentences. Affirmative sentences means reply in a positive way. And the structure of these sentences are subject plus first form of the verb plus object. Now first example, in the present tense I am telling you, I play football. What I will use here? First form of the verb. I play football. In the past tense, we always use second form of the verb. Past tense मतलब बीता हुआ कर. Now बीता हुआ समय. I played football. मैंने फुटबॉल खेला. And in future tense, we will use the same. We will say the same sentence by using shall or will. I shall play football. मैं फुटबॉल खेलूँगा. Now look at the example of negative sentences. I do not play football. मैं फुटबॉल नहीं खेलता हूँ. We in the present tense, we always use do not or does not while we are using negative sentence. I do not play football. In the past tense, we always use did. So I did not play football. But always remember this. Will did, we always use first form of the verb. Whenever we use did, we always use first form of the verb. Now, in the future tense, we always use shall and will, then use the not. I shall not play football. What we use here? I shall not play football. Now, interrogative, look at the example of interrogative sentence. It means we are asking question here. हम यहाँ पे कुछ क्वेश्चन पूछ रहे हैं. Do I play football? क्या मैंने फुटबॉल खेला? So, in the here we use always do in the beginning of the sentences. In the negative sentence, we always use in the middle of the sentence, but in the interrogative sentence, we always use do, would, will, or all the helping verb do, they, is, in the beginning of the sentences. Look here. Do I play football? क्या मैंने फुटबॉल खेला? And to same sentences in the past tense we will say did I play football? And in the future tense we will say shall I play football? क्या मैं फुटबॉल खेलूंगा? So these are the three types of the sentences: affirmative sentence, negative sentence, and the interrogative sentence. That's all. Tomorrow I will teach you about all tenses. These three tenses or all these tenses have a four form. Present, suppose first is simple tense, second is continuous tense, third is perfect tense, and fourth is perfect continuous tense.